WooCommerce PDF Invoice plugin helps to generate custom-designed invoices for a WooCommerce store. Apart from the invoice, this plugin can also be used to generate packing slips, delivery notes, and shipping labels from within WooCommerce orders. You can download this free from the WordPress plugin directory. Let us have a look at working of this plugin. Go to WordPress dashboard and add a new plugin. Search for PDF Invoice by ACOWebs. Install and activate it. Now you can see an additional menu under WooCommerce, PDF Invoices, where we can configure and customize the documents. General settings, where you can manage common settings for the document, like name, logo. You can upload the logo here. Set footer notes if needed. And manage the address. If your language is RTL type, you have to enable it here. Document settings, manage all documents here. You can go through each document and enable or disable according to your requirement. First, check Invoice, enable or disable Invoice. Set order status, when we have to auto-generate the invoice. We can control the invoice number formats with provided options. You can set a format, set a starting number. Toggle this option to attach PDF invoices and order email. Now, we can check to customize the invoice document. In the free version, we are providing only one template. You can customize it as you want. This is the Invoice Customizer. Here you can configure various options for the invoice, and also can customize color themes, text fonts, text size, etc. You can see the changes appears instantly as you play around this. You can also set custom colors, even you can add a hex color code here. Toggle the option to add or remove items from the invoice. Expand each section for further customization. You can change the label. Changing this to invoice number. Even you can change the fonts, color, font size, so on. Check the product table section. Here you can decide which our columns are to be visible. Also, you can change the labels. Here it can change label text size, text color, table header background, also can change table border color. See the changes reflecting instantly in the preview panel. You need to save changes once the customization is done. You can see a quick preview from here itself. Now we can check how it works on the customer makes orders. Just adding some items to the cart and checking out it. Check orders. And change the status to processing, then it auto-generates the invoice. Also, you can do it manually by clicking the Generate Invoice button. You can download the invoice here. Here is the PDF invoice we downloaded. Let us have a look at other documents. Packing slip. Delivery note. Shipping label. Dispatch label. We can check the email inbox for the order email with the invoice attached. You can also download the documents from the order listing table by clicking the icons provided corresponding to each order in the table. You can also check our premium version with many more features and templates at acawebs.com. Thank you for watching.